Kwekala nje kwethu kubonga kakhulu kuba ka Premier under Mandla Maheu. Mandla Maheu is one of the premium brands sponsors zethu. They've been long with us and they've produced athletes which are now priding themselves with the national team. Sebafika ngisho national team. Babaqale babancane nathi lothi saqala labanye baqale kuma juniors awona Mandla Maheu enyalo sebafike ka Premier. Badlala ku Premier League of Eswatini, baphinde badlala ku national team. So that's how far they've produced the impact, the impactfulness of the sponsor. Like we have said, the system, football, it's about uniting people, it's about fair play, and it's about socializing Satan and assist each other wherever social needs are called. Even economically, we also help each other because we share business in such. Let us be true ambassadors of such a brand that is taking care of us. Clubs, let us be ambassadors. Maheu are enshrined in our culture. It's a way of welcoming people at home. Angithi now fika nje umuntu ekhaya umnikete Maheu kana and nathi uma kunelilima ekhaya njenganyalo nje kusehlobo kuyolima bakunelilima kuba neMaheu angithi. So it's enshrined in our culture. So this is a product lemfuna ukuthi siyimarket kubonga. We are grateful nje ku Football Association when you have your event like your nepikolwa ukhanza ukuthi they support Mandla Maheu. And lokunye lesingakusho ngale brand, let us be careful ukuthi what are we eating thina athletes. Maheu akadopi. Siyathi ukuthi kune doping. One good thing about this drink, it doesn't dope. Ngeke nje ukhanzakale sokupenwa. We have athletes lapha eNshiwela kaNgwane ukuthi banatha any other substances which enhances energy. Siyayibona phela kanjani. So here is a brand legal. So ungaxoxi nje na unathe Maheu into leti kanjani. Sithanda nje kubonga nama directors ukuthi attended this auspicious occasion. I know the time maybe you are not accustomed to figure nga 2, but at least we have come. Sibonge kakhulu nje ukuthi nidile utograce this occasion. Sikelele nema parents. Ukuthi alabantwana lesibandla sabo. One, they should be also ambassadors ale product le. And also let us intermingle with the parents alabantwana. Because it's becoming tough in this world. Bantwana sebagwele ukhanza ukuthi bahlala ekhaya badlala lokhu kwetincingo nabo PlayStation and the like, they are not active. And ukhanza ukuthi by so doing sekungena naletifo letincane kanti umntwana omncane so diabetic ngekuthi akasi physically active. So sikhathi ke nyalo sekubagola labantwana but kufuna sibagole kahle sikhulumisane nalabadala. Labadala ababe part of the team la badlala khona labantwana. So that batosida labadala. Utawathi nje ukuthi niyabona musesikolweni umntwana umntana agqoke isicathulo etene exercise book lakhe sayibona na nitawukhanza ukuthi nayita lana umntana utamthengela likhokho aphinza amthengele nebhola sayibona phela njalo. So uyakhona ke coach ukuthi uba nemabhola lamanengi hayi lokuthi ibhola ukhanza ukuthi uma ngebhola yini sayibona phela kanjalo. So ngicela lokho ukuthi singema club, let us forge a good relationship with the parents so that batos assist kule club. Ngalenye la mtakhanza ukuthi lo munye ubaba wemntwana uyavolunteer nje hayi nami kuleli viki ngicela ukuthi ngigibelise team manje sivulele nye ground eMahwalana. So the traveling mtakha ukusayini ngicela kunigibelisa ukuthi niye eMahwalana sayibona vele kanjalo. So asiba involve labatali and siba reportele ukuthi bantwana ba behave kanjani kule sports again, because we don't know ukuthi future ingakuphi. Dawukhenza ukuthi lo mdlali future yakhe ingalabholeni vele. Dagcina sayine ma team lamakhulu njengabo Tottenham angithi. Hayi Manchester. Sayibona ulole kanjani. Yes. So let us invest. This is our time to shine in sports. This is the time to shine because the AI, I'm really telling you, iyayinciphisa lemsebenzi because ukhanza ukuthi umuntu wamunye with the assistance of an AI when umsebenzi webantu labangithela. So vele le nang iyancipha le nang imsebenzi but angake ngabona ba replace Messi nge-AI. Nabo Haaland nje bashaya amagoli but abasiye AI bantu. So let us invest. This is the time. This is the right time to really invest ma sports. Ngiyanicela nje ukuthi sibambisane asibuke kakhulu kuma media houses ukuthi tell a good story. Ufuna nani nisimarketele lo Mandla Mahewu ngiyade ukuthi nine tindlela tenu nje tekumarket ina. Ngiyabona ngalenye langa sister batofika batoprofile nje sebaprofile bonke baprofile Mandla Mahewu. Awungithi ngibona iFinancial Times vele betimali babethe nje ba profile premier andamandla Mahewu angithi Masilela ngiyathemba ukuthi dangenela na ndodlo lapha sebabambile nje batositshela ngamandla Mahewu basitshela bakeke basithathela a very good game bebesemsunduzo sipartnership nabo eSwatini TV. I think they were very much happy attendance emsunduza. That is good. Actually, now, Eswatini TV, I like it when they go to the community, tell a story of a community. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi ngumsakazo wethu wesive into ezikanjani. Asibonge kakhulu nje nikhumbule classes i-Football Association isinikete classes e-basic coaching ne-intermediate asengitshela nabo. Labo coach bethu phela asibafundzisene bona. And mind you, basic is almost every day, but intermediate, ayikho every year. So let us make sure ukuthi nathi wakune intermediate bayangena vele because it might not be every year, but basic might be every year. Asikungeneleni lento lama classes so that we know what training these kids give. And siphinde sifunze lokunye singetele knowledge. So that we look at the trends of football, the modern trends. Kuthi nyalo sekuthingeka abadlali labanjani kuze kuthi ngwini. Ngangiyanitshela nje ukuthi what is the modern trend now lekhona. And siya ku World Cup next year. Those things, those statistics wabukene nibuke ukuthi ibhola iyaphi, transgreator iyaphi. So use those things. Media seyikhona naba bayanilethela Masilela. So go to those things. But send them a platforms up and know everything about football. Isho ngiloko nje lengakusho ukuthi sibonge kakhulu Mandla Mahewu and we will be with you. We can promise ukuthi we will be ambassadors. And ngifuna letitolo everyone ma uya merchandise na ufika letitolo. Buyisa konke lokubhaqile ngale ngembuyise ngembili angithi. Siyakwenda yini uthini kunene siyakwenda ngami we have to merchandise see mawufika nje ku any shop you make sure ukuthi i brand yethu phela le